Many people start using turmeric after 50 because they hear it is good for inflammation, joints, immunity, skin, digestion, and aging. At first, it feels like a very sensible choice. It is natural, it is used in food, and many families have trusted it for years. But then one confusing thing happens. Some people take turmeric every day and feel a little better. Some people feel no difference at all, and some people start taking strong turmeric capsules, thinking that more turmeric means more health. This is where the biggest misunderstanding begins. Turmeric may be helpful, but it is not a magic medicine. It can support health in some ways, but it cannot repair years of inflammation, poor diet, poor sleep, joint damage, or uncontrolled disease by itself. And after 50, this difference becomes very important. By the end of this video, you will understand what turmeric can realistically do after 50, what is exaggerated, how to use it safely, and when you should speak to a doctor before taking it daily. Now let us understand this clearly and scientifically. Turmeric contains an active compound called curcumin. Curcumin is the part that researchers usually study for inflammation, oxidative stress, and joint discomfort. In simple words, inflammation is the body's natural repair signal, but when it stays active for too long, it can contribute to stiffness, pain, tiredness, and metabolic stress. This is why many people connect turmeric with aging, joint pain, and general body discomfort. Evidence suggests that curcumin may help reduce some inflammatory signals in the body, but the effect is usually modest, not instant, and not the same for everyone. The first myth is that turmeric works like a painkiller. It does not work like that. A painkiller may reduce pain within hours, but turmeric works more slowly, and only some people notice a meaningful benefit. For example, in studies on osteoarthritis, researchers often compare a turmeric or curcumin group with a placebo or usual care group, then measure pain, stiffness, movement, and daily function. Some systematic reviews and controlled trials suggest benefit for knee osteoarthritis symptoms, but the evidence is still not strong enough to say turmeric replaces standard medical treatment. This matters because many people after 50 have joint pain for different reasons. Sometimes the problem is inflammation, sometimes it is cartilage wear, sometimes it is low muscle strength, excess weight, vitamin D deficiency, poor sleep, or an untreated medical condition. So turmeric may support the body, but it should not become a way to ignore the real cause. The second myth is that if turmeric is natural, high-dose turmeric supplements must be safe. This is not medically correct. Turmeric used in food is generally different from concentrated curcumin capsules. The National Center for Complementary and Integrative Health notes that oral turmeric can cause stomach upset, reflux, nausea, diarrhea, constipation, and other side effects in some people. Mayo Clinic also warns that high doses or long-term use may cause digestive upset and may rarely be linked with liver concerns. Menick Network. So the simple rule is this: using turmeric in cooking is usually a safer starting point than taking strong capsules without medical advice. Now here's the surprising part. Turmeric is not absorbed very well by the body. That is why many supplements add black pepper extract, also called piperine, to increase absorption. But stronger absorption is not always automatically better. It may also increase the chance of side effects or interactions in sensitive people. This is especially important if you take blood thinners, diabetes medicines, heart medicines, or several long-term medications. The third myth is that turmeric can detox the liver, clean the blood, or reverse aging. There is no good medical evidence that turmeric works like a liver detox or anti-aging cure. Your liver already detoxifies your body every day. What it needs most is less repeated pressure from excess calories, alcohol, poor sleep, uncontrolled sugar, and unnecessary supplements. Many people are very disciplined with a turmeric drink in the morning, but the rest of the day quietly cancels the benefit they were hoping for. That is not failure. That is just biology. So far, we have seen that turmeric may support inflammation and joint comfort, but the real benefit depends on the whole lifestyle around it. After 50, the body usually becomes less forgiving. Muscle mass may decline. Insulin resistance may increase. Sleep may become lighter. Joint stiffness may become more noticeable. This is why one spice cannot do the work of a complete health routine. Now let me be clear, you do not need extreme solutions, you do not need expensive detox programs, and you do not need to swallow large doses of turmeric just because a video online made it sound powerful. You need safe use, consistency, good food, movement, proper testing when needed, and the right understanding. If you want to use turmeric after 50, start with food first. Add a small amount of turmeric to cooked meals, soups, lentils, vegetables, or warm milk if it suits your stomach. Taking it with a meal that contains some healthy fat may help absorption, but you do not need to overcomplicate it. Second, combine turmeric with anti-inflammatory eating, not with a poor diet. That means more vegetables, beans, lentils, whole grains, nuts in controlled portions, fish or other healthy proteins if you eat them, and fewer sugary drinks and refined carbohydrates. Third, if joint pain is your main concern, add walking and resistance exercise. Strong muscles protect joints better than any spice alone. Fourth, avoid high-dose turmeric or curcumin supplements unless your doctor agrees, especially if you take blood thinners, have gallbladder disease, liver disease, kidney stones, diabetes medicines, surgery planned, pregnancy concerns, or regular medication use. Fifth, if you have persistent pain, swelling, unexplained weight loss, yellow eyes, dark urine, abnormal liver tests, diabetes, heavy alcohol use, or long-lasting digestive symptoms, please get medical evaluation instead of only trying home remedies. Turmeric can be a useful part of a healthy routine after 50, but it should stay in its proper place. It is a supportive food, not a miracle cure. When you use it wisely, eat better, move regularly, sleep properly, and check medical problems on time, your body has a much better chance to respond. If you learned something new from today's video, please like it, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to BrightCareHealth for simple, natural, and science-based ways to stay healthy and live better. Start today.